In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make files or folders in Dropbox online only on your computer. This means that while they will appear in your Dropbox folder, they won't take up any space on your local hard drive. Both Windows and Mac users can benefit from this feature, which allows you to maximize your storage efficiency while keeping everything accessible when needed. Before we dive in, make sure you have the Dropbox desktop app installed and that you're signed in to your account. Having this setup ready is crucial because the steps I'll cover require access through the app directly on your computer. Once you've confirmed everything's set up, open either File Explorer if you're using Windows or Finder if you're on a Mac. Navigate to your Dropbox folder where you want to make these changes. It's generally found in the same location across both systems, so it shouldn't be hard to spot. Now, direct your attention to the file or folder you wish to set as online only. Go ahead and right-click on it. This action should bring up a context menu. Look through this menu for an option that says Make Online Only. Depending on your system and version, it might be listed under a submenu titled something like Dropbox, followed by Smart Sync, and finally, Online Only. Select this option. Once you've done this, the item will show up in your Dropbox folder like it always has. But here's the important part. The full content will not occupy any space on your computer's hard drive. Instead, the icon next to the file or folder will change to a small cloud symbol. This visual cue serves as a confirmation, indicating that your item is now online only. Now keep in mind, if you decide to open this file at some point, it will download onto your computer, making it available offline and taking up space again. If you want to revert it back to online only afterwards, simply repeat the steps. For those who want an even easier way to manage future files, there's an additional option. You can configure Dropbox to automatically set all new files added to your Dropbox folder as online only by default. To do this, click on the Dropbox icon located in your system tray or menu bar. Navigate to your avatar, then select Settings, move to General, and enter Preferences. Inside the Preferences window, swing over to the Sync tab. You'll notice an option labeled New Files Default. Here you can select Online Only to ensure that new items won't take up precious space unless you decide otherwise. Once you've made this choice, don't forget to save your settings. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your digital space, make the most of your local storage, and always have access to your Dropbox contents when you need them. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing!